Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is today our unit is set again, and the topic I have selected is Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of a set. The Venn diagram was created by John Venn in 1880. He created this diagram to show all possible relations between a certain number of sets in collections. That means if you have 2 or 3 sets, then what is the relationship between them? That are they overlapping, means that have something in common. Are they disjoint, they don't have anything in common. So to represent this we use Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is in the form of a circle representing any special group or set with specific quality. This is the example of a Venn diagram where this circle is representing set A, this circle is representing set B, and this rectangle is representing a universal set. Universal set contains all the things under discussions. That means the combination of A and B will be in universal set. For example, if we say that we will make a Venn diagram for the fruits with yellow color or fruit with green color, and we have different fruit names. For example, we have banana, mango, orange, apple, watermelon, grapes. Then all the names of those fruit which are in yellow color like apple, banana, like mango, banana will come here, and which are in green color like grapes, pears will come here. But the remaining names which are not in green or yellow color, they will come here in the rectangle, like apple, because it is red, it is not yellow, it is not green, so its name will be written over here in the universal set. And such kind of sets which are not overlapping, which don't have any in common, they are called disjoint sets. This is another example of a Venn diagram. Here we are representing overlapping sets. Overlapping means which have something in common in both, so they are drawn overlapping each other. The some part of these sets are overlapping. This section contains those numbers which are only in set A, not in set B. And this section contains those numbers which are in set B and not in set A. This section is the one which contains the number which are present in both sets. Now, this section contains those numbers which are not in either set, and the remaining which will not match to A and B will be written here in universal set. This is another example of a Venn diagram representing overlapping set, showing the contrast between banana and lemon. Here I have written some qualities of banana, some qualities of lemon. The first thing, they both are yellow in color, so it is common in both, so it will be written here in the center. They both are fruit, so it will also be written here in the center. Banana is smooth while lemon is not smooth, so this quality will be written here in the section of banana. Banana is sweet, lemon is not sweet, this quality will also be written here. While lemon is sour, banana is not sour, so this is the quality belongs to lemon only, so it will be written in this section. Similarly, bumpy will also be written here in this section. This is how you can contrast between two sets representing Venn diagram. This is another example which I have taken from the exercise question of your book, that show a Venn diagram representing animals that eat plants and animals that eat meat. So first of all we will draw a rectangle, and then we will draw two circles overlapping each other. Here we will write herbivores, that means the animals that eat plants. Here we will write carnivores, that means the animals who eat meat. And here we will write omnivores, that animals which eat plants and animals both. And then we will place some pictures, or you can write some names. First of all you have to write many names of the animals, and then you have to separate them in the circle like I have done here. See here, I have placed the pictures of those animals that eat plants over here, and those who eat meat over here, and those who eat both plants and animals. I have placed the pictures of those over here. Here I have placed a picture of human also, because human is also a social animal. I hope it will be clear to you and you can do your exercise now.